Hello, good morning, all my lovely students. Welcome back in my social studies classes, grade 5. I am Ojashwini, your teacher of SS, and today we are going to do discussion of block 4, beginning of a settled life. So, our today's topic is discussion, and our today's aim is discuss all hot questions of content book and workbook of Exceed. So, you need some resources for this discussion class that are your Exceed content book, Exceed workbook. Yes, both are of volume 1. We are studying volume 1. It means volume 1. Notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, water bottle, whatever the things you need this discussion class. So, if you have all the resources, very well done. If you don't have, so put the video on pause, go collect all your resources, come then on your video and start our discussion class. So, in today's class, we will discuss HOTS question. As I already told, in your content book, question number 8 is HOTS question, and in your workbook the last question is known as HOTS. It may be question number 3rd or question number 2nd. So if you have any doubt, you can confirm it. One more thing, I will also attach some pictures of all the answers of PQs and answers of your workbook of all 4 sets, S1, S2, S3 and S4. So don't forget to watch them also. Now start with HOTS question of your content book. Read it. Please don't only watch the video, you have to speak with me also. Okay? Did the early humans use the same kinds of tools or wear the same kinds of clothes as we do? Write a few changes and a few similarities between their lives and the lives of modern humans. I know that all of you know the answer, but my some students are in doubt. So, early humans used stone tools as we know, and day by day they were improving. We use tools made of iron, steel, copper, plastic and many more metals. They wore animal skin, bark of trees, sometimes leaves of trees, while we are wearing clothes made of cotton, wool, silk, synthetic, terracotta, polyester, nylon, etc. They lived in caves earlier and later they lived in huts. But we lived in cemented houses. Unlike early humans, we eat different types of food. Like today, bread, roti, rice, cooked curries and sweets. We are also eating fruits and roots, berries, and in some communities they are also eating flesh of animals or meat of animals. Early humans were also eating fruits, berries, roots, and meat of animals. Then, hot question of workbook. So, first is S1, question number 3. Before early humans began farming, they moved from place to place and lived in caves. When they started farming, they settled down in one place. How do you think their houses changed because of this? So, early humans now began to build huts to live. When they started farming, they also built huts near their fields using with mud, branches of trees, dry leaves, dry grasses, is it? Or whatever the material they get from their surroundings, or bamboo pipes, is it? They did not have to live in caves because they have a proper hut. Not proper houses like us, but they have a hut. So, now no need to move from place to place or live in a cave. It means farming changed their life and also their living habits. Now, as 2, you all are also matching with me now. Open your workbook pages. Which pages open on your screen? Okay? And if your answer is correct, but maybe the words are different, so doesn't matter, you are correct. Your words can be differ, but the answer or the meaning should be same. Write one difference between the tools that early humans used after they started farming and the tools that we use now. So, we know early humans used stone tools, and we use tools like scissors, knives, and screwdriver, plier, hammer. These are made of iron and steel and also covering with plastic. Open S3, and question number 3 is write one way in which we use the wheel the same way as the early humans did. Of course, we use the wheel for transport as the early humans did. Doesn't matter, they were pulling the cart or in the starting they are running on feet and we are inside the vehicle, but both are using the vehicles for transport or moving from one place to another place. Now, as for question number 2, write 3 things that are same between us and the early humans. So, the early humans grew grains. We are also growing grains. They ate fruits. We are also eating fruits. They lived houses. We are also living in houses. Doesn't matter. We are living in cemented houses and they were living in mud houses or bamboo houses. Okay. So I hope all your doubts are cleared and most of you completed your writing work nicely. So if your work is still not done, so study block 4 again, then do your writing work. It will help you. and complete all 4 set of block 4 in workbook and all PQs from content book in your notebook. So for today, thank you. Have a nice day. Tomorrow will be your block assessment. So study well. All the best. Oh, sorry. I forget to clear the answers of bonus question. So let's have a look. Number 1, what do you mean by sapling? And the correct answer is a young tree. Number 2, which tools were used for grinding the grains? And the correct answer is grinder. Number 3, which of the following animals were used by early humans to travel from place to place? And the correct answer is horse and cow. Then question number 4, what is showing in the picture? Clearly visible. This picture is showing cave paintings. Okay, so all the best. Bye.